In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile overpayment in Xero. An overpayment happens when the amount on your bank statement is higher than the bill you're paying. The goal is to match the bill to the correct portion of the payment and record the extra as an overpayment so it becomes a credit you can use later. Here's how to do that smoothly from the Xero dashboard. Start by opening Xero and heading to the main dashboard. From there, go to the accounting menu and choose Bank Accounts. Find the bank account that holds the transaction you want to reconcile, then open its reconciliation screen by selecting Reconcile. The number of items waiting will vary, but the process is the same. On the reconciliation screen, locate the bank statement line that includes the overpayment. Select Match to look for existing transactions in Xero that relate to this payment. In the search area, look up the supplier or account you paid and find the specific bill you meant to settle. Tick the checkbox beside that bill to match it. You'll notice that the bill amount doesn't use up the entire payment. This is expected. Xero will show an unallocated remainder, which is the overpayment you need to record. To handle that remainder correctly, stay on the same bank line and choose New Transaction. Then select Spend Money. Because this is money leaving your bank for a supplier, Spend Money is the right option. In the Spend Money form, set the payment type to Overpayment. Choosing overpayment tells Xero that the leftover amount isn't another expense. It's a credit on the supplier's account. This keeps your bank balance accurate and creates a usable credit you can apply to future bills or request as a refund. Before you confirm, take a moment to make sure the contact, bank account, and date align with the bank statement line you're reconciling. The total of the matched bill plus the overpayment should equal the full amount of the bank transaction. When everything looks right, complete the reconciliation. Xero will mark the bill as paid and record the remaining balance as an overpayment. After reconciling, that overpayment will appear on the supplier's account as a credit you can allocate against upcoming bills. This approach keeps your accounts payable tidy, prevents duplicate entries, and ensures your bank feed and ledger stay perfectly in sync. That's it. Match the bill, record the remainder as an overpayment, and reconcile with confidence in Xero.